Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications as I'm sharing everyday great contents for you. Alright, in this video we're going to cover how we able to send multi-data to our views. Obviously, you learned how to send our data using view data, temp data, and view back, but I'm mentioning how we able to send using model. If we would like to send multi-objects. Alright, I create a class which is called Tuple and ViewModel because we're going to use ViewModel and tuples to solve this problem. And I create an action method which is called test. I created two objects, and now I'm going to show you with ViewModel. Okay, alright, to do that, I would like to make remember you. If you would like to send just product, we just send product to our view. If it's category, we type here category, right? But what if I would like to send two of them using my model? So I'm going to create a view model right now. Right click on view model folder, add class. Let's say product user. I'm going to create two property, public product, let's say product prop category. So I said user, sorry guys, it will be category. It's my bad. Category. So I don't have any entity called user. Category. Alright, yep, perfect. And it is category. All done. So I have another ViewModel contains product and category. So I did a compression. Alright, let's go our class and let's create our product category object, not new, sorry, and let's say product category new. Let's add category for category, product for product. Yep, now we have one view model in our hands. Let's pass this data to our view. Alright guys, now I'm going to create a new view for my action method. Empty, lose that page. Let's edit. I'm waiting my CSharp to create a new view for me for test action result. Alright, let's add our model, product category. Let's type correct way, product category, control dot. Yep, we edit. Now I'm going to add model dot. Yep, here we go. We have product and category here. Product dot title, and I would like to add category dot name. Perfect. Let's right click on test and view in browser. Let's see the result. Fryer and electronics. Perfect. It's working smoothly. Let's continue. Oops, wrong project. Okay, let's continue with the tuples now. I guess you understand how we are using ViewModels to pass multi-object to a view. Alright, let's make this section command line. Let's go back to tuple section. Let's make the section command as well. Let's close here, and let's make the section command again. Actually, I'm going to copy, edit here, and make this command again. Alright. So I'm gonna take this in the tuple, use it here. Perfect. Alright. So how we able to use tuple? To do that, first of all, we need to create a tuple object. Var. Let's give a meaningful name. Product category. Okay. To do that, open and close a parenthesis and define your objects. The first one is product, comma. The second one is category. Let's investigate our object. As you can see, this is an object which is product and category, which we call tuple. Alright guys, so I'm going to pass this object to my view as a tuple. Perfect. As you can see, it's a little bit more easy to use when it comes to creating ViewModel. Just one line code and it's done. But it depends what kind of project you're doing, and it depends what is your scenario is. So you can use both of them confidently. Alright, let's go our ViewModel. Now I'm going to add our model. Open and close a parenthesis again because our model is tuple. So the first one is product, comma, oops, and second one is category. Alright, we need to add our namespace, and here we go. This is our tuple. Okay, to use that, I'm going to copy this section to paste here. Okay, so our model doesn't have product and category. I'm going to delete this. Let's have a look what we have in our model. We have item 1 and item 2. As you can see, item 1 is product and item 2 is a category. So we can select item 1 dot title for the product and item 2 for the name for the category. But as you can see, this is not really useful using item 1, 2. If we add one more item, it's going to be item 3. So I'm going to put a space and I'm gonna give a name for represent this object, product, and let's say category. Okay, now let's delete it, and you can use item 1 as well. Let's have a look. We have product and category here. Product dot title, and you have category dot name. Perfect. This is how we're using our tuples. Let's run the project and see the results. Oh, we run the debug bot. Okay, what was the name of tuple and ViewModel? Hopefully I'm doing correct. Let's say test. Alright. Fryer and electronics. Here we go. Perfect. It's working. Let's go back to our project. I guess I covered all the subjects. This is how we're using ViewModel and tuples to send multi-objects to ViewModel in one model, guys. Perfect. I'm going to finish this lesson here. Let me have a look my next subject. Sorry. So it seems we're going to jump into how to use razor in CSHTML. But once I finish this lesson, I'm going to go through again. If there is a changes, I'm going to go through with the new content or the razor for the next lesson. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching my video and take care of yourself. If you crash the like button, I will be really appreciated. It really motivates me to create new content. Take care of yourself. See you on next lesson. Bye bye, guys.